Well, hello there everyone. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm Christy and it is time to cook. All right guys, today I will be making a delicious soup in my slow cooker. Two of my favorite things because I just love soup and I love using my slow cooker. Now, I'm making a lasagna soup. This is so easy. It's delicious. It's like having a warm bowl of lasagna in a soup. So let me go over these ingredients with you and show you just how to make it. I'm using 1 pound of ground beef, but you could also use Italian sausage. You'll need some salt and pepper, 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, 2 garlic cloves, half of an onion diced, 4 cups or 1 quart of beef broth, and then your favorite pasta sauce. Any will work just fine. And then 4 to 6 lasagna noodles. It just depends on how many noodles you like in your soup. If you like a lot of noodles, then use 6. If you want a little less, more soup, then use less noodles. I'm gonna cook my ground beef until it's completely browned. And I'm gonna also go ahead and add my onion, and I'm going to mince my garlic. Once your ground beef is fully cooked, add it to your slow cooker. All right, now I did not drain the excess grease off. I use a lean meat, so there wasn't a lot, but if you want to drain that grease, then feel free to do so. Now I'm going to add my Italian seasoning, and I'm going to give a good pinch of salt and black pepper. Then I'm going to add my pasta sauce, and I'm going to pour a little bit of this broth into my jar. Put my lid back on and give it a shake just to get out all that sauce. Then I'm going to add the rest of my broth. Then cover and cook on high for 2 to 3 hours or low for 4 to 6 hours. Meantime, I'm just going to take my lasagna noodles and just break them up into pieces. Add the broken lasagna noodles to the soup and cook on high for 30 to 40 minutes or until the noodles are tender. The lasagna soup is all done, and I like to sprinkle a little bit of shredded mozzarella cheese on top of my soup, but you could sprinkle some grated Parmesan, or you could even put a spoonful of ricotta cheese or cottage cheese, whatever you like. This soup is just so good, and it is seriously like, it's just like eating a warm bowl of lasagna. All right, and if you wanted to, you can make this soup on top of the stove in a large pot, and it would take actually a little bit less time, maybe 30 to 45 minutes. You could have this soup on the table. I like the slow cooker though, because you can dump your ingredients in, turn it on, walk away. It's just easy. It's just nice to have a hot meal in your slow cooker ready for you. All right, well, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. God bless, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.